I'm Justin Shaw. Welcome to our ClockTHREEjr KickStarter campaign. By buying in volume, we'd like to drive down the cost of our word clock we call ClockTHREEjr. If we meet our funding goals, this will be the most affordable, hackable, addressable, customizable, open hardware word clock available. We are offering 3 clock models, all based on the same ClockTHREEjr printed circuit board. ClockTHREEjr, Doomsday 3 built from 3 boards, and Doomsday 5 built from stacking 5 ClockTHREEjr boards. This massive clock will be able to display all 10 digits of Unix time. ClockTHREEjr runs the same code as our previous Kickstarter project, Clock3. Here's one of our customers, who is now a Wyoloom affiliate, to tell you more.
Hi, my name is David Pincus and I live in Sydney, Australia. The first time I heard of a word clock, I was reading a gadget blog and I thought to myself, that's awesome, I'd really like one. I looked at a couple of commercial products and realized that they sold for well over $1,000. Thought, why buy one when you can build one yourself? And the best thing about building it yourself is a lot of times you don't even have to start from scratch. I hit Google and searched on word clocks, and that's when I first found Wyoloom. Wyoloom creates open source hardware projects, which means you can take what they've done, use bits and pieces, but then modify it and customize it however you'd like. I started off with an original kit and then customized the faceplate. Getting the faceplate to work with the hardware was as simple as looking at the very well commented code and modifying bits and pieces so that the appropriate words lit up in the new positions that I had designed on the faceplate. Doing this was particularly easy because the kit is designed to work with multiple languages. The kit so far works with English, German, and Dutch, and my layout simply fit into the existing code as a brand new language.
Wyoloom started quite by accident. 2 guys on opposite sides of the world with common interests pooled their skills and resources to make a project that neither of them could have been able to accomplish single-handedly. Since then, we've expanded our circle of contributors across the globe, creating a network of skilled individuals doing what we call guerrilla engineering. We pick a project, someone volunteers to be the project lead, and we plunge right in. Our first big project, in every respect, was the Clock3, which received 300% funding from Kickstarter. Thanks, Kickstarter!
Our next idea was to simplify the Clock3 to tone down its complexity for people who didn't want all the bells and whistles of the big Clock3. Hence, ClockTHREEjr was born. The big difference being that ClockTHREEjr has many fewer single color LEDs.
This makes it smaller, cheaper, and much faster to assemble. We didn't just limit our kits to the printed circuit boards and electronic components. We also engineered a simple and elegant set of baffles to act as shields between the LEDs, as well as all the other enclosure pieces. Our CNC specialist, Angus Hines of Hines Design Labs, right here in Virginia, came up with an ingenious way to make the faceplates of the clocks, allowing us to provide a huge variety of font and color options.
We're also offering the Doomsday clock. We've trimmed up the edges of the first version of the board so that we could stack multiple boards side by side without gaps. Now huge LED displays like Doomsday are possible. Our mission at Wyoloom is to support open hardware. In fact, all of our Wyoloom affiliates are volunteers.
Business talk?
Business talk.
No.
What then?
I don't know what is business. I'm just doing it for fun.
The money we take in through sales and consulting is reinvested in Wyoloom and in the wider community. Over the last year, our contributions to open hardware have exceeded $4,000.
Hi, my name is Hunter Scott. A couple months ago, a friend and I started work on an open source hardware flight computer called the Peregrine board. We heard that Wyoloom was giving away several open source hardware grants, and so we applied, and we were very grateful to receive $1,000 to develop a prototype. And that was great because we're both college students and we don't really have the budget to prototype that sort of thing on our own.
And Aaron Kennedy.
Hi there! These are my robo birds, and The idea for RoboBird came about when Adafruit Industries contacted me to make some videos about robotics. Right after this RoboBird was created, notice the robot badge hat, yeah. Then
Hi, Doomsday Clock.